Ranny on the beat.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Karan, and you clicked on this video for a reason. You clicked on this video because you wanted to see the amount of greatness and the loving, humble person I am. But welcome to another video. For those of you that are new, I am happy that you are here. If you like the content and if you like anything that happens in this video, make sure you subscribe and smash that like button and drop a comment down below and let me know how you feel about the video, or if you just want to comment and say where to get it. Whatever you want to put, have a combo in the comments. I do read them, and I will be looking forward to seeing how you guys feel about the product and whatever I do in these videos. So, as you read in the title, today I am unboxing some merchandise from a great friend of mine.
Oh,
he has
shit.
dropped his merch,
Here we go again.
and as soon as he sent me the link to go see the merch, I went and seen things that I wanted, and I ordered it, and I waited a good, healthy time. It didn't take long at all to get to me. All I know is it said your item shipped, and then the next day I got the notification that it was at my doorstep, which was today. So I was at the barber shop. You know, I went and checked my stocks and all that, and the shipping number was one, and I was like, you know what? There is something that should be arriving soon. So I went and looked, and there it was. It said it was dropped off. So I came home after getting my hair cut. I look so fresh, right? I came home, and the package was waiting for me. Now, if you haven't seen my very first unboxing, I wouldn't say it was my first unboxing. It was actually me reviewing a product that I ordered off of eBay. That video has done very well, as in it helped a lot of people, you know, purchase things that, you know, it was very helpful for them. And I got a lot of feedback of thanking me for making the video. So I was like, why not, you know, continue to doing those videos? Now, I'm going to be doing these videos with, you know, short sellers, people that aren't incorporated, you know, all the corporate people. They pay for their advertising and getting all their stuff done. Me, I'm going to be I will purchase your product, and I will bring it, and I will do what I'm doing right now. Is I have the product right there, the things that I've purchased, and I told them, yo, when I get your stuff, is it cool that I make a video and review it and unboxing? And I got the thumbs up. So here we are today. We're just going to get into it. I have the box right here. It's shipped USPS. It'd be USPS, right? United States Postal Service, something like that. It's very light. I know what's in here, but for what's in here is very light. I can, you know, it weighs a little to nothing. It's in a box. The last video I did was the package. Well, the item was actually in a bag. So this came in a box, which is, I would say, is very secure for being an Amazon driver. I feel as though it being in a box is way better because it, you know, what can take the damage first is the box. When you think about it in a bag, even though it's in a padding, like little air bubbles, it can still get ripped from however it's being handled. But that's how it's supposed to be handled with care. But let's get in here. Like I said, the box is very well put together. So I got some scissors. I don't have a blade. I do. I just don't feel like going through 100 bags to find it. So we got that open. I'm gonna sit this over here, and we're gonna go rip this side open. I'm not weak. I am not weak. We're gonna pull this side. Pull this side, then we pull this side. I see something. Come on, bro. Sorry guys, I have to not be weak. It was tape. Alright, so the first thing we're going to start off with is I'm going to flip this because I know what it is already. Like I said, we're going to count down on 3, and I'm going to have this thing going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So first, we got a Mighty Midget beanie. I'm going to look at myself over here, check myself out in the mirror. But here we go. First, we got the beanie, Mighty Midget Gaming. You gotta go check him out on Facebook. This is his gaming symbol, I guess we'll go with. Sorry if I don't use the right term, but this is my boy Nick's gaming name, Mighty Midget Gaming, and he just dropped his merch. So I'm gonna take this off so you guys can get a good look at it. Maybe I'll do like a slow-mo video. But we got this. We got the beanie. So I'm gonna set the beanie over here because I got something else. Now I'm about to bring something next. Are you ready? Because it's about to go down in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Disappear. Don't forget you're recording a video. I remember I'm recording a video. But here we are, the next product, Mighty Midget Gaming hoodie. It fits very, very, very swell on me. I'm pretty sure this is an extra large or maybe a large. I forgot what I ordered, but I like it. It's very comfy and it's very appealing. If you see me and you call me Mighty Midget Gaming, I might take your name, Nick. Mighty, I'm not a midget though. Nick's a midget, so it matches him. But overall, it's a dope design, and it's just overall dope hoodie. It fits just right. A few little thumbnails. Yeah. Yeah, I like it. Nick, if you watching this video, I like the merch, bro. Keep it going. I'm gonna order some more. I'm gonna get some more coins. I'm gonna order some more. But let me straighten this up so you guys can get a clear look. So what happens is I will do like a little miniature photo shoot of myself with these things on. And down below, what you can do is check out my social medias, and you will see the products down there. Also, make sure you support the seller. The link to the website will be down below. Please go check it out. If you don't plan on buying anything, just at least window shop. If you could check out the product, I swear you won't miss it. There's a lot more on there that you would love for yourself. These were the personal things that I needed to get because I needed them. I needed a hat and I needed a hoodie. You will see me out in public with this hoodie on, no cap. So if you see me, want to take a picture with it, or you just want to see the hoodie, do that. Say that. If you see me, just say that. But like I said, this is from a close friend of mine, and if you need any videos done, reviews, unboxing, anything in that state, let me know in the comments down below. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and drop a comment down below on what you think about the video, the product, the whole scheme, anything. Just let me know. This is the unboxing of Mighty Midget Gaming. Make sure you go check him out. The link to his gaming profile and everything, his social medias will be down below. Once again, check out that website. Window shop all you want. You don't have to go in there planning to buy, but support the homie and support the channel. Make sure you subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Y'all stay safe. Peace and love. We out.